What's up, guys? Today with my friend Brian with his amazing M3 CX, right?
Yep.
CX.
Yep.
So he got new wheels, and right now we're changing the wheels. We already measured the difference in the weight. It's slight difference, but the design will be
big difference.
much bigger difference. So let me show you what we have. This set right now is 19 front and 20 in the rear with Michelin Cup 2 tires, 19 by 10.5 with 285 30 20, and the front is 19 265 35 275 35 19, and the car is fully built. Brian, tell me about the features. I don't remember all of them.
Full stage 2, running E40. It's pushing about 700 at the wheels. Custom calibration custom tune from Ben Calibration. All MAD exhaust, downpipes all the way back. Infinity intakes. Yeah, I mean, speed-wise, definitely fun. And then downforce, just been adding more and more. APR, GT wing, GTC 300, and then a new front splitter coming here very soon. So it'll actually have more downforce than a GT3 RS. So it's a track animal for sure.
Yeah. So I was a passenger at the track, and we raced with in Sonoma.
Yep.
It was really fast, so it's crazy fast car, and now we're making it more beautiful.
Yep.
So we already took off.
And more performance.
And
wider tires are going to make a big difference.
And performance.
Fuck yeah.
So we took off the front wheels already. So here are old wheels, and we got here the brand new Rusch wheels R0220. We also did, we made a caps match, the color match with Riviera Blue on the body style, the body of the car. And I think it's pretty much close. We will see it once the wheels will be installed on the car. So the color of the finish of the wheel, it's called satin polish. So the wheel is fully polished and applied the satin, or like, let's say, matte clear coat all over the wheel. That's why it has like this shine. And the tires is 295 30 20 with 10.5 front and rear. So we're on square setup, 20 by 10.5 with 295 30 and 20 Goodyear Supercar. So these will be installed right now. We have titanium bolts, lug bolts here, and also engravings here on the side. They are like 50% lighter than steel bolts. Here's engravings of the license plate, and this saves like 50% on each wheel total. It's really like good improvement for the track.
Yeah, I think I looked it up before. I think overall you end up saving, I want to say it was actually something like 1 kilogram total from all 20. It might have been less, but I thought it was actually that, and I was like, hey, you know, that's something, and it helps that they also look better and they're stronger. Like, why not?
Yeah, if you can try to lower the weight with any
yeah, I mean, they're close to the center of mass, so it's definitely not as impactful. Like, you know, if you were reducing weight out here, you're gonna feel it more. But you know, because it's so close to the center, it definitely is not like a night and day. Like, you're not gonna feel it. But you know, when you're chasing tenths of a second, yeah, I mean, hey, you're gonna feel that. Like, it matters. Every bit does.
Here's the old wheel, also 20-inch, and the new wheel installed. We have here super flush and we will see, like, once we lower it, see on the outside the fitment after the dropping the car on the ground, and it looks so good. So we compared the weight of the Michelin Cup 2 285/30/20 versus Goodyear Supercar 3 295/30/20, and the difference is 4 pounds. 31 pounds for the Goodyears and 27 pounds for the Michelins. Wheels, we measured the new wheels. They weighed...
New wheels were 60.4 and the old ones were, I believe it was 55.9 or whatever, 55, call it. So there's roughly about a 5.5 pound difference.
Yeah.
So 4 of that is just the tires.
Yeah.
So switching from those wheels to these is whatever, a pound.
A pound difference on the rear. Yeah, and the fronts we calculated, it's like about, we changed 19 to 20, and we have 265 all tires, 265/35, 19.
Yeah, we went from 19 9.5 in the front, and we also went to 20 10.5, and we still only picked up the weight difference was about 5 pounds.
Yeah,
after you account for the tires.
We consider the fitment, we consider the look, the concavity, and like overall upgrade of the look of the car. I think it's not big.
Totally worth it.
Plus, we installed the titanium lug bolts.
Yep.
And
so we get back a little bit of
like
that weight.
several pounds too. Couple pounds, I think.
Yep. You want to get a low shot and actually see this guy drop down now?
Yeah, let's see.
All right.
So we are saving 1.7 pounds or 777 grams on the bolts, all 4 on the wheels. Let's see the fitment. Whoa! I like, this is my dopamine actually,
Yeah.
This is my dopamine. When the tire sits perfectly on the rim, on the concavity is like so deep. The color with the accent in the cap is matching the car, and this is like, it's like an art. It's like a picture. Look at that. Look at that fitment, bro. This is crazy. Ooh. Wow.
I can get my fingers in there, but just barely.
Alright, so here's the complete look of the car. It's dark, but this looks so good. I'm so happy. And I'm so excited to see this car and do the photo shoot with a golden hour, with the sunset.
Hell yeah.
So it will be amazing. So look at that. Look at this angle. It's so sick. Wow. And the wing is like, the combination of the wing and the...
I know, the wing and the back wheels especially.
Back wheels, and look from this side. Look at that. Like the wing, the wheels, the front wheels, the fitment is just, it's insane.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm really glad actually that we went with the light wheels for it. Yeah. I think the black or dark wheels would have looked good, but I really, really like it with the light wheels. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of people who differ in opinion, but that's just fine. Everybody's car is different.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
We are both happy, so we have double happiness.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah. This looks beautiful.
Nice. Merry Christmas.
Hell yeah. I'm down. I love me. I love me for ordering these. These are, thank you so much. Well worth it.
We should go for the drive and maybe like on the Saturday or Sunday, right?
Yeah. Probably Sunday morning. We should just cruise, hit a car meet, and then whatever, just cruise around.
Yeah. Yeah.
I might just go around the block right now and just double check, see if it actually rubs anywhere. Because I mean, that front is definitely tight. But once they adjust camber and actually raise the car a little bit, I don't think it's actually going to even rub. I think it's just going to be like super perfect fitment. Once the front splitter is on there, this car's pretty much maxed out at that point.
Yeah, I think it's
legitimately as far as it can go.
You know, I think it's right now already it can get like a reward or win a contest on Beamer Invasion or something, because this is like, even in the dark, it looks so good.
Yeah. Yeah, so
I don't want to. Can you not raise it, please? Just it will rub. It's fine. Just just leave it like this. This is so cool. Like, especially like that. You look like this fitment. Ooh. Yeah, the front splitter will be upgraded, and here is the sweet part, the fitment and the concavity. So the color and everything is so good. So we are super happy.